In the process of growing tomatoes, many friends are still unsure about watering and fertilizing. Today, I'm sharing a clever watering trick that can double your efforts. It ensures high-yield tomatoes without diseases. So here's the secret. Before I dive into it, please consider liking and bookmarking this post so you can easily find it next time you need it. The trick involves using a mixture of beer, brown sugar, and urea for irrigation. Just mix 1 bottle of beer, 1 pound of brown sugar, 30 grams of urea, and 100 pounds of water. When using it, apply it to the roots of the tomatoes and spray it on the plants. This method not only promotes explosive root growth in the soil, but also strengthens the roots of the tomatoes, leading to more and larger fruits later on. It's a simple and practical method. Got it? Follow me for daily tips on gardening to ensure your tomatoes yield abundantly.